USDJPY and silver price prediction. It has been a very smooth ride for USDJPY for us from this very area. Market has been moving in our favor up to our target position. So the question is, the market go through this very fair value gap right at this very point, as you can see clearly. So this fair value gap have been mitigated by the market. So what next for the price of USDJPY? And that is what I'll be talking about in this very video, very importantly. And if you look at the price of silver, market is still moving upward. In fact, we are still in this very position as at the recording of this very video on the signal group, and I believe that the market have capacity of retracing within this area. That is a lot of hindrance moving upward, because this is a very strong fair value gap. Although you can make an argument and say the points of this very fair value gap have been mitigated and the market is going to move upward from here to the upside. What I want to see is very different, which is what I want to discuss as well in this very video. So pay attention, watch this video all the way to the very end. The most important point here is the fact that USDJPY has been moving sporadically in our favor. Look at it right here. We took this trade at this very point on the 17th of February, which is this very week. And if you look at this very trade, this is our entry at this very point of 153.10 and 153.42. So if you look at the entry within this very area, okay, and this very point, and the market has been moving all the way upward. Look at our target. Our target at this very point of 155.05. Look at it at this very area as well. It is covered that our targets have been hit at this very point. Okay, although we exit the trade very, very close to the target because of rejection within this very area, but market actually hit our target, and right now is moving a little bit to the upside. Look at our SL. Our SL was at this very point of 152.66. So if you look at the SL within this very area, okay, this very point, and this is very, very important. So this trade was a very sweet trade. So my expectation, especially next week, because we've come to the end of this very week of trading almost already. So the market is not going to move crazily all the way to the upside anymore. I don't expect that on price action. What I am looking at on price action is that from this very point, we should see the market reject from here, okay, into this very area, or a little bit into this very fair value gap area, and then continuation all the way to the upside. So for next week of trading, in fact, that is the most important part, and the reason why this very analysis is very, very important, because for next week of trading, what I am expecting is very, very simple. I still believe that the USD is going to gain much more strength against the JPY, and that this very price action is going to have a continuation all the way to the upside. And that is why I am looking at market retracing. First of all, the first point is this area, okay, before the next move to the upside. And if this area break, then market is going to come into this fair value gap area before the next move to the upside. These are the two areas that I will be focusing on right now from this point moving forward. So if you look at this very point and take things into perspective, or dive deep into it, you discover that this very point, let me mark it out, this is a fair value gap area, okay. So from this very area, our setup for next week trading is going to be in this very formation. Of course, when setup are given, you must have to, wait for confirmation and all of those before you take any trade. So I would like to take a trade from this very area, okay, and my stop loss is going to be slightly below this very spike to the upside, and then I will look for 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, okay, all the way to the upside. And this is very, very important, and that is what you should look at as well. And this is very, very important right at this very point. So from here, this is the entry, and then market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside. This very point is the target, and if this fail to hold, then this very point is going to be the next point market is going to retrace into. That means retracement here and then movement to the upside, or market retrace back down into this area, then the next move to the upside. Like I said, all these need confirmation. So from this very point, if market go down here, then my entry is going to be in this formation. That means my stop loss is going to be slightly below this very fair value gap area, while I enter the trade within this very area after confirmation. So this is very, very important, and what I am not looking at on price action right now on USDJPY. So if you look at this very trade that we took on this very signal group, it discovered that the market moved in our favor and we were in a very significant profit into target. Very powerful trade. So the next one is XAGUSD, that is silver USD. So if you look at silver right at this very point, it is called that market is still moving in our predicted direction, and of course we are still in this very trade right now as I speak. So if you look at this very Telegram channel and I go right down, this is the last message right here, 60 pips plus profits and still running. We may close the trade any moment soon if the market did not hit our target before the market close for today weekend. And this is very, very important. So from this very perspective, if you look at this very area, discover that the market is finding difficulty in moving upward. And the reason is because there is a fair value gap on this very price action. Like I said, this fair value gap have been mitigated, but despite the fact that it has been mitigated, it's still very, very clear for us that the fair value gap have not been closed. Because when fair value gap have not been closed, it's very, very necessary that you pay attention to it, except it has been closed. What that means by closing or closure of a fair value gap is that the market should move upward and close it entirely. Then this fair value gap becomes very, very invalid for you to look at. So for now is very valid. That means market can from here move downward, okay, permanently, or move down a little bit and then continuation to the upside. So what I am looking at right now is a critical look at what the market is going to do within this very area of fair value gap, whether we are to close this very trade and forget about our target, collect the profit that we already had because we entered a trade within this very area and we are in significant profit right now, especially before the closure of the market today for weekend. So if you take a critical look at this very trade, let me remove this for now, and you come to this very signal group, you discover that we entered a trade within this very area. Okay, see the entry, okay, within 74 points, okay, this 74.7 something around this very area. Okay, that's where we entered the trade, and then this is the entry. Within this area is the entry. So we have the entry around this very point. Okay, so after this very entry, market begin to move all the way in our favor trade for the past 2 days, and we are still going to leave this trade to run into the closure of the market today, because I believe the market can still move despite the fact that we have fair value gap within this very area. If you look at our targets, our target is at this very point of 85. Okay, look at it right here, 85. So we have our target right here as 85 at this very point. Okay, so within this very area, because this is our other block area, 85 within this very point is where our target is, and then our stop loss is at this very point of 71.71. So 71.71 is within this very point. So 71.71 is at this very area where this very stop loss sign is. Okay, so this is where the stop loss is, and we are still in this very trade, like I said earlier, waiting for market to move upward. So what's the update here? The update here is that market is still going to continue upward, especially this very week as we approach the end of this very week of trading. But next week of trading, I will be expecting retracement to the downside before any form of continuation to the upside. What that means is markets can move upward, and then before next week of trading, or as we begin next week of trading, market can begin to move down again before the next continuation to the upside, because I also believe that silver is going to move all the way to the upside. So silver is going to move from this very point upward, and despite any correction to the downside, is going to still continue all the way to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So let's say, for example, if you are in this very position, let's say you took the trade by yourself and you are in this position, I still believe market is going to move upward. Okay, why you monitor your trade carefully, because this is very, very necessary. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. If you trade silver USD, the market is going to retrace within this very area for sure, because this is a order block area. This is a supply area. This is a very strong resistance, and the market is going to react. Very, very important. So pay attention to these guys as markets move into this area, and then we see some retracement to the downside before continuation. Remember, I'll be updating you on this very channel on what the market is going to do very, very shortly. And the most important thing is, if you want to receive signal like this, you can join our Telegram channel. There is a free channel link in the description of this very video to receive signal like this example, and also to receive technical analysis, setup, and many more. Link in the description of this very video. Join right now. It is a free Telegram channel. So this is what I am now expecting on this very price action: silver USD price action, and also USDJPY price action. Retracement is imminent. Retracement is coming in already, and that is what you should pay attention to from this very area. If you gain value from this very video, don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.